Last time we were talking about inequality, fractional inequality to be precise, and I put you through fractional linear inequality with less than. So today we're just going to continue from there, fractional inequality, but this time with greater than, so that we can compare the two concepts, understand the simple logic beside it, and see how we can easily work around it. Let's go. Example 1. Now let's say we are given this x plus 3 and x minus 5 greater than 0. We are asked to find the value of x, or the range of value of x that satisfy this equation. Now let's see how to solve this. Like the way we solve in less than, that is exactly how we are going to solve with greater than. The only thing is, after solving, we test for the range of value that will satisfy the inequality. So let's see. First, we say what? Let x plus 3 be greater than 0, so that x will be greater than minus 3. So if x is greater than minus 3, we test. So let's test x to be minus 2. Since x is greater than minus 3, we just pick the nearest number to test, that is minus 2. So if we test x to be minus 2, that means minus 2 plus 3 over minus 2 minus 5. So we have minus 2 plus 3 will give us what? 1 over minus 7. 1 over minus 7 is not greater than 0. 1 over minus 7 is not greater than 0. That means this greater than is what? Is false. So we use what? Less than. So we take x is less than minus 3. So if x is less than minus 3, we test again. So we are testing, let x equals to minus 4. We substitute. So this will give us minus 4 plus 3 all over minus 4 minus 5. Is it greater than 0? Minus 4 plus 3 will give us minus 1 over minus 9 greater than 0. So we have 1 over 9 greater than 0, which is what? True. So this test give us what? The true result. So that means what? X is what? Less than minus 3 is what? True. So we pick the next one and we solve x minus 5. So we have x minus 5 greater than 0. So x will be what? Greater than 5. Again, we test. If x is greater than 5, that means we are taking 6. So substitute. Let's test. That means 6 plus 3 over 6 minus 5, is that greater than 0? That means 9 over 1, is that greater than 0? That means 9 is greater than 0. So this is what? True. So that means what? X is greater than 5 is what? True. So the two answers, or two range of answers that will satisfy this inequality will be what? X is less than minus 3, and what? X is what? Greater than 5. So just like the way we solve our previous inequality, fractional inequality with less than, we put our answer as a range. You can also put this as a range. If x is less than minus 3, that means what? Minus 3 is greater than x, and x is what? Greater than 5. That means that anything you pick within this range will do what? Satisfy the inequality. And something here I want you to notice, there is no limit, there is no ending to what x is that will satisfy the inequality. You can only tell what x cannot be. That simply means it is only within the set of value from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Only this set of values will not satisfy x. That means anything other than this set of values will do what? Satisfy the inequality. So when you are solving, having in mind that here will be greater than. So I'm sure this is clear. Let's pick one more example. Example 2, we should take 2x plus 3 and say x minus say 8 greater than 0. Now here I will use the method I used in my previous video with less than. So you don't have to test it, just solve and put the smallest number to your left and the biggest to your right and use what greater than all together. So let's see. So we say let 2x plus 3 equals to 0, so that 2x will be equals to minus 3, so that x will be equals to what? Minus 3 over 2. I have my first value of x. The same thing, let x minus 8 equals to 0, so x equals to 8. So I have my second value. So within these two values, which of them is the least? This is the least value. That means minus 3 over 2. And this is my what? The greatest value, which is what? 8. So that means this will be greater than x and x will be greater than 8. So with this, I don't even have to test, because I know that anything you pick within this range will satisfy this inequality. Hope this is clear.